Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, right now, sobrang nag-crave ako sa vegetable, tawag dito, fresh vegetable noodle salad or cold noodle salad. So, this is how it looks like. And then, I prepare my own sauce. Ito, yung mga nakikita natin sa mga mukbang. So, I made my own version and then I was able to buy oysters. Mga oysters na wala na yan siya sa shell. So, hopefully, okay siya. Fresh naman daw sabi ni ate. So, hinugasan ko lang yan siya. Tapos, nilagay ko sa freezer. And then, naglagay lang ako ng lemonsito. So, I have been craving so much for this, whole thing. So, dito, meron tayong vermicelli. So, ayan, yung sotanghon. Hindi na maganda yung pagkaka-plating ko, guys, So, pasensya na. Dahil gutom na ako. Pag-prepare pa lang ng mga gulay, maghuhugas, you have to make sure everything is clean. So, I have sotanghon here, or vermicelli. I have bamboo shoot, or ubod. And then, I have there kamatis, carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, onion, and then, of course, the lettuce. So, we will start na, Start na natin ang mga bagay-bagay. So, this is my sauce. So, this is fish sauce, soy sauce. Meron ako nilagay na fresh chilies, red, at meron ding dried. At meron din akong green onions. May celery. What else? May peanut. May palm sugar, and then canola oil. So, lagay lang natin yan siya buo. Yan siya. And then, ito, lalagyan natin to. So, unahin natin itong oyster. This is so perfect, guys. Parang gusto ko na kamayan. Lagyan natin ng oyster. Lagyan natin ng sauce pa. So this is called noodle salad. And I think kahit araw-araw kumain ito. Very ko. nabiling mint.